Think about the last time you used a knife. It might have been a simple task, something you didn't even think twice about. Maybe you were prepping dinner, slicing through fresh vegetables with ease, or perhaps you were working on a craft project, carefully cutting materials to bring your creative vision to life. Or even just opening a package that arrived at your doorstep, eager to see what's inside. Seems simple, right? These everyday tasks are made effortless by the sharpness and precision of modern knives. Now imagine trying to accomplish these same tasks with a sharp rock. Picture yourself attempting to slice through a tomato or open a cardboard box with nothing but a jagged piece of stone. That's the reality our ancestors faced for millions of years. They relied on these primitive tools, painstakingly crafted from stones to meet their basic needs. It was a time when every cut was a challenge and every tool was a precious asset. Cutting tools have been with us since the dawn of humanity. From the earliest stone flakes to the bronze and iron blades of ancient civilizations, each advancement marked a significant leap in our ability to manipulate our environment. Fast forward to today, and we have come a long way from those crude stone tools. Now we have laser cutters and water jets that can slice through metal with incredible precision, shaping our world in ways our ancestors could never have imagined. This journey of the cutting edge is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a story of relentless innovation, driven by our unending desire to improve and refine the tools we use. From the sharp stones of prehistoric times to the smart lasers of today, our cutting tools have evolved dramatically. Each new development has opened up new possibilities, allowing us to shape and manipulate the world around us with ever greater precision and efficiency. This evolution is not just about the tools themselves, but about the human spirit of creativity and problem-solving that drives us forward. It's a story of constant innovation, driven by our need to shape and manipulate the world around us. Our earliest ancestors were pretty resourceful. With no home depot in sight, they turned to nature for their tools. Stones like flint and obsidian became their go-to cutting implements. These stones break with a predictable fracture, creating incredibly sharp edges. These tools were essential for survival. Early humans used them for hunting, butchering animals, and crafting other tools from wood and bone. It was the Stone Age after all, and these tools were the cutting edge. Fast forward a few thousand years, and humans stumbled upon something game-changing: metal. First came bronze, an alloy of copper and tin. Bronze tools were a huge leap forward, being stronger and more durable than their stone predecessors. Then came the Iron Age, and with it, even stronger and more versatile tools. Iron allowed for finer blades and more intricate designs. This revolutionized agriculture, warfare, and countless other aspects of ancient societies. The Industrial Revolution brought about another seismic shift in the world of cutting tools. Water and steam power gave rise to machines. These machines could produce tools faster, cheaper, and with greater precision than ever before. Suddenly, mass production was possible. This led to the development of standardized parts and the assembly lines that would define the modern industrial era. Modern marvels, CNC, lasers, and water jets. We delve into the fascinating world of advanced cutting technologies that have transformed the manufacturing landscape. Today, cutting tools have reached incredible levels of precision and power. These advancements have enabled industries to achieve feats that were once thought impossible, pushing the boundaries of what can be created and manufactured. Computer numerical control, or CNC, machines use computer programs to control tools with incredible accuracy. These machines can perform complex tasks with minimal human intervention, ensuring consistency and precision in every cut. From automotive parts to aerospace components, CNC machines are integral to modern manufacturing. Laser cutters use focused beams of light to cut through materials with incredible speed and detail. The precision of laser cutting allows for intricate designs and patterns that would be difficult to achieve with traditional methods. This technology is widely used in industries such as electronics, jewelry, and even art. Water jets, on the other hand, use high-pressure streams of water mixed with abrasives to cut through even the toughest materials. This method is particularly useful for cutting materials that are sensitive to heat, such as certain metals and composites. Water jet cutting is employed in a variety of industries, from automotive to aerospace, due to its versatility and precision. These technologies have revolutionized manufacturing, allowing us to create everything from intricate medical devices to massive architectural structures. The precision and efficiency of CNC, laser, and water jet cutting tools have not only improved the quality of products but also reduced production times and costs. As we continue to innovate and refine these technologies, the possibilities for what we can can create are virtually limitless. From the smallest components to the largest constructions, advanced cutting tools are at the heart of modern manufacturing. Cutting across industries, medicine, construction, and electronics. Cutting tools aren't just for factories anymore. They're essential in countless industries. In medicine, lasers are used for delicate surgeries, and diamond scalpels make incredibly precise incisions. In construction, everything from saws to excavators relies on cutting-edge technology. The electronics industry relies on incredibly precise cutting tools to create the tiny, powerful chips found in our phones and computers. The future is sharp automation, AI, and sustainability. So, what's next for the cutting edge? Automation and AI are poised to revolutionize the way we design, manufacture, and use cutting tools. Imagine self-sharpening blades, robots that can perform intricate cutting tasks, and AI-powered systems that can optimize cutting processes for maximum efficiency. Sustainability is also a major driving force in the development of new cutting technologies. Researchers are exploring new materials and processes that minimize waste and environmental impact. The unending quest for a better edge. The story of cutting tools is a testament to the power of human ingenuity. From the earliest days of our existence, humans have sought ways to improve their tools, to make them sharper, more efficient, and more effective. This relentless pursuit has driven countless innovations and has been a cornerstone of our progress as a species. From the humble beginnings of sharpened stones, which were used by our ancestors to hunt, build, and survive, we have come a long way. These primitive tools, though simple, were revolutionary in their time, marking the dawn of human innovation. Fast forward to today, and we see the mind-boggling precision of laser cutters, capable of slicing through metal with incredible accuracy. These modern marvels are a far cry from the rudimentary tools of the past, yet they share the same fundamental purpose: to give us a better edge. Our quest for a better edge has been a constant driving force in human history. From the Bronze Age to the Industrial Revolution, each era has seen its own advancements in cutting technology, each building on the innovations of the past. This journey of innovation has shaped our world in countless ways. The tools we use to cut, shape, and build have enabled us to create the cities we live in, the machines we rely on, and the technologies that drive our modern lives. And it's far from over. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, new cutting technologies are being developed that will revolutionize industries and change the way we live and work. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: the cutting edge will continue to evolve. With each new discovery, each new invention, we move closer to achieving the perfect edge, the ultimate tool that will allow us to shape our world with unparalleled precision. The cutting edge will continue to evolve, driven by our insatiable curiosity and our desire to shape the world around us. This unending quest for a better edge is a testament to the enduring spirit of human innovation. Driven by our insatiable curiosity, we will keep pushing the boundaries, exploring new materials, new techniques, and new technologies. The future of cutting tools is bright, and the possibilities are endless. Our desire to shape the world around us will continue to inspire new innovations, new tools, and new ways of thinking. The unending quest for a better edge is a journey that will never truly end, as long as there are new challenges to overcome and new horizons to explore. The ethical implications of advanced cutting. As cutting tools become more powerful and autonomous, we must also consider the ethical implications of these advancements. What are the implications of self-replicating robots equipped with cutting tools? How do we ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and ethically? These are questions we must grapple with as we continue to push the boundaries of cutting-edge technology. The role of education in a cutting-edge world. In a world increasingly reliant on advanced cutting technologies, education plays a crucial role. We need to equip future generations with the skills and knowledge to design, operate, and maintain these sophisticated tools. This includes not only technical skills, but also critical thinking, problem-solving, and a deep understanding of the ethical implications of these technologies. Conclusion: a cut above the rest. From the earliest stone tools to the futuristic promise of AI-powered cutting systems, the evolution of cutting tools has been a remarkable journey. It's a testament to human ingenuity, our drive to innovate, and our desire to shape the world around us. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: the cutting edge will continue to evolve, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and shaping the world of tomorrow. Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay informed.